Hello, how y'all doing? I'm going to demonstrate how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble a Sig Sauer P938 9mm handgun. First, always verify the gun is not loaded. Also, never engage the thumb safety during disassembly, as this will cause the safety detente plunger to separate from the frame. This is a slide stop. There's a tab on the end. This is a disassembly notch. On the right is the slide stop insert. Pull the slide back until the disassembly notch aligns with the tab. Push the insert on the right. The slide stop partially pops out. Now hold the slide back and fully remove the slide stop. Separate the slide from the frame. Remove the recoil spring and spring guide. Remove the barrel. Never clean the barrel from the muzzle end, only from the breech end. The inside's clean. Now clean the outside. Next, clean the spring guide. This is two pieces screwed together. Always make sure they're tightly in place. If not, they're going to separate. Clean the recoil spring. Just twirl this through. This is clean. Clean the slide stop. Place a cleaning patch soaked in solvent on top of a mag swipe to clean the inside of the slide, frame, and mag well. This works really great in these tight, hard to reach areas. So this is clean. Next, clean the mag well. I run this through so it doesn't snag on the springs. We'll swipe this one more time. The mag well's clean. Note here the disconnect. You want to make sure this goes up and down. If it stays stuck in the down position, the gun's not going to fire. If that happens, you have to take off this grip and clean these levers inside, and that'll free it up. Also, the ejector, when you clean this, don't push it down too far or it'll get stuck in a down position. So let's clean the outside of this and we're done with cleaning. Everything is clean and ready for reassembly. So we place the barrel back into the slide. Now this recoil spring is very tight and a lot longer than the spring guide. When you place this back in, it's easy to bend it. I use this wooden dowel as a guide. I run this through the slide, through the recoil spring, and hold it firmly against the spring guide. Make sure the notch on the spring guide faces down against the barrel. So before we put this back together, I want to make an important point here. The slide stop pin goes through this hole, and it also needs to go through this hole below the barrel. If it doesn't, the gun won't function properly. Keep that in mind. So place a drop of lubricant on this groove here. Place the slide back onto the frame. At this point, push the ejector down, and this is ready. This is all aligned. Now take the slide stop, put it partially in this hole, and when you pull the slide back slightly, this pops into place. So pull the slide back until the disassembly notch again aligns with the tab. Push the slide stop back in. So this is reassembled. Make sure everything works. You can see the ejector go up and down. Also test the safety. So this gun is clean, reassembled, and ready for use. These magazines are hard to take apart and put back together. I have a good instructional video on that. I hope you found this demonstration to be helpful. For any questions, comments, concerns, or to purchase mag swipes, please visit our website at magswipes.com. Thank you for watching.